Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Magnifier on your LENOVO G70-35 laptop. Now, to enable the Magnifier feature, you'll have to press Windows button combined with plus button. So just press them together like this, and it will open a Magnifier application. Here, using minus and plus buttons, you'll be able to change the zoom level. You can read from the screen by pressing this button right here. You can also select a place you want the program to start reading from. So if we, for example, tap on the icon with this button selected, let's do it once again. Yeah, it just reads the name of the icon for us. Now you can also access settings from here, and here you'll be able to change the zoom speed, or rather the magnifier speed. I will show you how it looks. For example, if we select too fast, then we'll change the zoom level. You can see that the magnifier moves really fast. If you slow it down, it will go much slower this way. I hope you got the idea of how it works. And you can also change the voice for your reader in the application, but you can also access more settings to Magnifier by going to Start menu, selecting Settings, then going to Ease of Access tab, and then select Magnifier section right here. You'll also be able to turn on the magnifier in this menu, and you can also change the zoom level just like we did before. You can also choose to start magnifier after or before signing in. You can also choose to invert colors if you like. Now here you'll be able to change the magnifier view, which is a crucial thing. Right now we have a magnifier, full screen magnifier, so it just magnifies the entire display, as you can see right now. Now we can change it to the dark magnifier, and it will look like this, and also the lens magnifier, which will look like this. Now for docked and full screen magnifiers, you'll also have additional options. You'll enable magnifier to follow the mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and narrator cursor. Now you can choose where you want to keep the mouse pointer. You can either keep it within the edges of the screen. This way you will be able to move the edges of the screen with your mouse pointer, basically. And if you change it to center of the screen, the mouse pointer will simply stay at the center all the time. And you also can do the same thing to the text cursor. You can also change the reading options right here, and that's basically all the settings you can change within the full screen and docked magnifiers. Now for the lens magnifiers, you'll be only able to resize the lens size, so you can make it any shape that you like. Now let's turn it on to see how it looks like. Yeah, and that's basically all the settings for the lens magnifier. And I think I have already told you everything about zooming in on your device. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.